Hey y'all, I wanted to hop on here real quick and do a quick unboxing. Haven't ever done one of those, so I got a big order from Craft Outlet, so I thought I would show y'all what I got. So I'm excited. Oh wow, these are some strawberries. I thought they were gonna be like fabric, but they're plastic. I think this strawberry wreath up here, I want to add them to that. I haven't sold that wreath yet. It's from last summer, so I was like, well, let me spruce it up a little and see if it'll sell. So I got some strawberries to go in there. I don't remember ordering these blue. Oh, wait. Yes. Okay. I have a customer that wants a Christmas wreath that is turquoise, hot pink, and green. So I got these to go in that. I did not realize they were gonna be this big. I ordered 4 of those. That'll be nice and full. I got these to go in that wreath as well. Lime green, little balls. And these, it's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be ornament. Like, I'm gonna make ornaments as the main focal point of the wreath, and so they're gonna be bright ornaments. I'm excited to start on that. Okay, and she wanted pops of silver as well. So I got some silver to go in there. I think I might have ordered too much stuff for it, but we'll see, because I also got these. I didn't know they were this big. These are really pretty. They're like metallic pink. I got 2 of those. So yeah, that's gonna be a nice full wreath. Okay, back to spring stuff. I wanna make a bee wreath, so I got these little yellow balls for little accents in the bee wreath. Let's see, I bought these as well, maybe to stick in this strawberry wreath. Like I said, I thought maybe I could move out some of the greenery and put some pops of red throughout. I don't know. Just to kind of make it pop a little more. Oh, these are pretty. Little orange bush of flowers. I have, let me show y'all. I have this butterfly ribbon that I ordered last year from Craft Outlet. It's deluxe ribbon. It's so nice and thick, so I wanted to use that again. Plus I love the butterfly theme, so I wanted to make a butterfly wreath. So I'm gonna use that ribbon, put that in there, and look at these. Oh, little butterflies. Oh, and I got this sign. Look how pretty. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I might make that one for myself. I made a butterfly wreath last year and I loved it. Oh, these fell out too. Some more little butterflies. There's 3 in there. Oh wait, I got 2 of those. 2 of these butterflies. I got some ficus leaves. Bunch of those. I like to use these as base. Oh, these are big leaves. I just got some of these from Hobby Lobby and the leaves were way smaller, so this is better bang for your buck. Oh my goodness, I got these clocks. I want to do a mushroom themed wreath as well, and I thought these clocks would be cool in them, but I didn't realize this one was that big. But that's real popular right now, these clocks. So, oh my goodness, I got a lot of ribbon. Oh, I got another one of these balls for my bee wreath. Okay, let's start. Look, This is Deluxe brand. I got this for like 4th of July. Oh, this is so pretty. I love that print. I bought this maybe to go with the butterfly. I don't remember why I bought that. I think I just really like this pattern. I wanted to use it in one of my Easter wreaths that I already made. Oh, it's over here. You can't see it. Let me show you. A little bunny wreath. Ignore this stuff. I have it out to sell. I wanted to use it in that wreath, but I already put this one together. I was impatient, didn't want to wait. So I love that blue wreath too, the blue bunny wreath. Polka dot. This is to go with, I was thinking with my bee theme and maybe the mushrooms. I want to do like red mushrooms, I think, red or orange, maybe closer to like fall. I don't know, maybe a fall theme one. I got a bunch of pink ribbon just for the pink themed wreath that I'm doing, the Christmas one, and then, you know, spring, you can always use pink. This is the ribbon I'll use in that pink, green, turquoise, silver Christmas wreath. I've been wanting this ribbon forever. This is real popular, so I thought I can use that in a lot of wreaths. I got this ribbon to go with that Christmas wreath that I'm putting together. Another checkered pattern, pink, to go with the Christmas wreath. I got this because I thought I might do, I have some sunflowers, I might do like a farmhouse or like a chicken theme. I thought that would be cute to do. I got this for the mushroom wreath, or even to put in the chicken wreath, chicken sunflower wreath. Yellow and gold. I got some peppermint ribbon. I don't remember if it was on sale or not, but I needed some more for my tree this year for Christmas. So I just went ahead and got it. Oh, more checkered ribbon. I didn't realize I ordered 3 of these, but I'm glad. And then just more solid color ribbon. I like to have this ribbon just for, you know, whatever. I really liked this ribbon for fall. I'm excited to use that one. Solid color ribbon just to put, use in any wreaths that I come up with. So yeah, that's everything. That was a lot. If y'all haven't tried Craft Outlet, or if you're looking to order wreath supplies, they're a great supplier. They ship super fast. I bought this stuff and then the very next day it showed up, and they're in Louisiana. I'm in Texas. So I don't know if it's because I bought so much and I got free shipping, but showed up the very next day. So good quality product, and I'm excited to put all these wreaths together. I need to get started, get going, get them all together. Is there anything y'all saw that you might be interested in? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to make you something. So let me know if anything caught your eye. All right, thanks for watching.